Hi friends, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to solve the invalid indentation problem with Python Kiwi. So let's get started. For now, if you run this program, Kiwi program, it's going to show invalid indentation must be a multiple of 4 spaces. So that's what we are going to be working on today. So let's get started. Hi, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So let's get started. So now we keep in our program. Now we are trying to find the issue of this. It says indentation error must be multiple of 4 spaces. We run the program, we keep running the program over and over. It keeps showing us the error. So why is it showing us this error? The reason why it's showing us the error um is because right over here. Now let's run the script and see what kv and this thing is saying. It says as it runs the program, it shows the particular line in which the error is being the problem is being based on. It shows this arrow line, this two arrow line right over here, which is line 16. And if we go to line 16 right over here, um line 16 is not actually line 60. Right over here, we just try and look for where this stuff exists. This button text.click size.hint size underscore hint. So the issue right here is under the size underscore hint. This is where the problem, this is where Python this thing is giving us, the Kiwi this thing is giving us problem. So what's the solution now? The reason why it's showing like this because normally when you are using Python Kiwi file, you have to, it says multiple must be a multiple of 4 spaces. Whenever you are under a class or something like that, either you are under a class and you are writing maybe in the next line of the script, now maybe under a kind of class, when you enter the next line of the screen, here's the solution for it. Whenever, every time you are entering the next line of screen, press your tab button right over here. It's going to give you um 4 line spaces, or also you can also tap it manually, 1 2 3 4. Or but the best practice is for you to use tab, use press tab whenever you enter the next line. So now let me correct this side. The main error is this side. It's not up to, under this button is not up to, if we count the number of lines that are here, 1 2 3 4 5, it's up to 5 lines. It's supposed to be 4 lines. So let's correct it now. If we correct it back, it's already at the fourth line. So let's cancel this right over here and type it personally. So we write text.click um under here. When our this thing, for us to check if it's, for us to give that 4 line spacing stuff, we have to come over under this whatever whether variable or class it is. You come along that line and you press your tab. It's going to give you your 4 line spacing. So under here we are going to write size underscore hint. Let's do this. Let's do this practically. So we come over here, and we press our tab. So we are going to write size underscore hint is going to be 1 on the 30% on the x and 0.1 at the y axis. So also to the next, all the properties that are defining this button must also be at the same line. Whenever you are entering the just make sure that you press tab. If you can't do it manually, you just press your tab button right over here. It's going to position you at the right line of your script in the KV file. So let's run it now and see if our problem has been solved. So we run this program right over here, and finally it's working properly. So it's no longer showing us the error of 4 line spacing. If we just change it and run it now, it's going to show error. It's going to show the error, invalid data after declaration. We just press our tab right over here, and it shows us one thing. You should notice that whenever you have a KV kind of error, you must make sure that you check the you come over here, you check where this arrow, you must make sure you navigate this arrow. Wherever this arrow is pointed towards to is where the error is being based on. So that's what you need to learn to know about Python KV error. So I think we've solved the problem of the indentation problem error. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Hi friends, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also please hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.